What's going on, everybody? It's the Junkbox Collective here. And today we're doing a quick install of the SLP Loudmouth axle back muffler. If you haven't seen my last video on the unboxing, go ahead and check that out. In this video, we're going to do a install and what it's like to install it on a 2008 Mustang GT. And you're going to see kind of what the underside looks like with the car that has 152,000 miles. I apologize, I did not video any of the footage of me taking off the old mufflers, which is unfortunate because it was terrible, and I snapped two of the hanger bolts. But hopefully you'll get an idea of what it would be like for your car to install this. That is where I snapped the hanger bolt. The head snapped right off. That was on both the right and left side of the car. Now, I did not put the car up on jacks because I could barely fit there. If you are a larger human, you are definitely going to jack up the car because you're not going to fit underneath. Alright guys, for the rest of the video, I'm just going to play the footage and let you watch and see what it's like. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll try to answer them for you. Thanks. Alright, that's good. Alright. Oh, that's nice. It should be easy to get to there. Yeah. Shoot that everywhere. This is terrible. Oh my god. That's not even fucking close. Is that tight? That's not tight. It is kind of tight, but like, there we go. This is fucking irritating. Shit. This is not on very far, but it's like barely sticking in there. But yeah, whatever. Yeah. Alright, we need to lock. We need to lock that down. And then align everything. Alright guys, we're coming up on the passenger side being almost 100% done. All we have to do is do some small alignments and then it is finished. And then we got to repeat the entire process for the driver's side. Thanks for watching guys, I appreciate it. If this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys have a great day.